If you're a tech-savvy investor, then you need to know how to invest in mutual funds online. Here's how. Most mutual fund companies and financial platforms now offer super easy online investment options. Take platforms like Zerodha, Grow, or even the AMC websites. It's as simple as signing up, completing your KYC, and choosing the mutual fund that suits your goals. For instance, on Zerodha, just log in, go to the mutual funds section, pick your fund, and click Invest. Grow is just as user-friendly. Search, select, and invest. Direct AMC websites also provide streamlined steps to get you started. Now here's the exciting part. Watch till the end for a surprise worth Rs21,000 in financial calculators. To make your investment journey smoother, we recommend platforms like Zerodha, Grow, or directly through AMC websites. Reliable, efficient, and designed for your convenience. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Delta Edge, send us a WhatsApp screenshot, and claim your surprise offer. Happy investing.